I received a question about the Amtech heavy duty scraper G0954. The question was, how do you fit and replace the blades in the head here? The question was, there's a little slot here, and does that have to engage in anything in the head here? And the answer is no. All you have to do, as supplied, the blade is fitted reversed, so you've got a flat edge here, so you won't cut yourself. All you need to do is undo the screws 2 or 3 turns, just to slacken the clamp, turn the blade round, square it up so it's equidistant in the head, and then just tighten the posi screws up fully like that, and the blade is now securely clamped in between the 2 jaws here. So it's as easy as that. I trust that helps. If not, go to amtechdiy.com.